Feeling bad. He's going to church this morning down John 3:16. He said he didn't call out whoever's call on the Lord shall be saved.
What's up, guys? Morning 2. It is a dang good morning. It's like 18 degrees and there's no wind. There's a little bit of a southwest wind, and we're in the same spot we've been in yesterday. Good place. There's big deer roaming these woods. We just gotta get lucky and have one come our way. I wanted to do the interview before it got daylight, because whenever it broke daylight yesterday, it was just haywire. There was deer running everywhere. Dad got a big buck last night, so we're pumped about that. And hopefully it's our turn this morning. There's biggins in here, man. But it's like 5:47 right now, and sunrise is at 6:47. So about 6:20 or so, we ought to be able to start seeing some stuff, being able to see. But we're in here early. It's still sun. You can hear a pin drop in the woods right now. But the wind's going to switch about midday. That we've seen several deer when we were coming and driving in here. So this bright moon has got them on their feet tonight. So this first hour of daylight should be pretty good. And then it'll probably be a midday movement kind of deal. But as long as our toes ain't too cold, we're going to stay in here. Won't be long, we'll be showing you something, I'm sure of it. Thanks for tuning in. I don't know if you guys caught that or not. I look to my left and there comes an 8-pointer. He's not, he's like a big Georgia deer, but he's not big for out here. He's a 2-year-old tight 8-pointer. He's a nice buck. Pretty sure I seen him yesterday. He come down the same path he did yesterday too, but he got there. I guess he smelled where I had come in. He turned around and went the other way. I could have killed him if I wanted to, though. So that's, it's a good sign. Bucks are moving. I was hoping he's going to come right in front of me so I could get a good video of him, but when does that ever work out? I've seen a few does, seen one spike and seen that buck right there, so maybe something will come through here, I hope. We just need a grown one to do that. Morning 2 is a wrap. It's 11 o'clock right now. I'm going to go get me a biscuit, and then I'm going to get back in the stand as quick as I can, because it's such a nice day. There's hardly any wind. It's cold. The deer must have moved last night, because they didn't move till mid-morning, which is kind of what I figured would happen. I've seen a couple bucks, so that was cool. We're still hunting that big one, though. Big 4 or 5-year-old, be nice. They're in here, but we just gotta get lucky and let one of them does bring one by us. But let's go get a biscuit. I know for a fact that they killed 3 deer this morning, so we'll see what that yields.
He's going to church this morning, down John 3:16.
That's a fact.
He said he didn't call out whoever's call on the Lord shall be saved.
All right, boys. Evening 2, same tree. The boys killed some good ones this morning. Anthony got one. It was like 230 pounds. It was a giant deer. One of the Seabolt boys got one, and I think Mullet got one. I'm not sure who killed that other one. There's some big old deer out here, man. They look like bull calves. But so I reckon, let's see, Mason got one, Dad got one, Anthony got one, and yeah, out of our party, me and Jacob's the only ones who hadn't got one, and it ain't but the second day. And it's kind of ironic because I've got a camera and Jacob's got a camera. We're the only ones who hadn't killed nothing. Imagine that. let's see. It's 12:50. We got out of the stand at 11 o'clock, went and got us some lunch, ate a couple sandwiches. And we're going to hang in here for the rest of the evening, about a 6-hour set. So, I hope one of these big uns that's hanging around here slips through here following the doe. And I'll give him a 150 right to the shoulder. Put some of that core lock in him. Alright, stay tuned. We had a lot of action this morning. Once it got up on into the morning, we seen quite a few deer. Alright, let's hunt. I just finished that interview. As soon as I clicked the off button, I looked behind me, here walks a buck. I sprayed my boots with Tink 69. Maybe that's why he's smelling, because he's straight downwind of me. That's good. I've been here 5 minutes and already seen 2 bucks. I didn't get that one on camera. I was turned back around. He's standing there looking at me. It's 12 o'clock. I've seen 2 bucks in 5 minutes. Whew. I hope this pays off. I've seen that buck right there about 3 times. Hey, get out of here, stupid ignorant.